right. I know you clicked on this video because you want to get some defined abs, you want a flat stomach, you want all that tone. Let's do it. In this video, I'm going to give you 6 perfect exercises that you can do at home. You can do it at the gym, wherever. 6 perfect exercises. So before we do it, just know you got to have your nutrition on point to actually see the abs. It doesn't matter how many ab exercises that you actually do. If your nutrition is not right, if you're not working on your nutrition, you are not going to see the definition. But if you are working on it, you are lowering your body fat, start with these workouts. Let me know how it goes. Let's get it.
Your ass be on the floor. Big carbon hit like Mayweather. Tula come through and bow a hoe. Got millions out that rap shit. They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. That back end after back end come and fuck em. I stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch. She a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out a parachute. I'm geeked on next week. Bout no more beaches. I might just stir at you. I'm geeked on next week. Bout no more beaches. I might just parachute. Yeah, glow. Stomp a little pussy hoe with some shell toes. Yeah, glow. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, ho. Yeah, glow. Two-tone Cartier match the nails, ho. Yeah, glow. No competition, these bitches stale, ho. Yeah, glow. Curbing, no curbing, my shit in layers, ho. Yeah, glow. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Yeah, glow. Keep running circles around these snail, ho. Yeah, glow. And my shit pumping up in the jail, ho. Big glow, where you been at? Mine, everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. Quick to crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks gon' keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky bitch when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood bitches motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate. Get 'em glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get 'em glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get 'em glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I go eat some jail food on gang. Stomp a little pussy hoe with some shell toes. Yeah, glow. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, ho. Yeah, glow. Two-tone Cartier match the nails, ho. Yeah, glow. No competition.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was super helpful, and I got tons of other content just like this on my channel, so make sure you check those out. And if you're somebody who's like, all right, I want somebody to help me out, I want a straight streamlined process that can help me with my lifestyle, my health, my fitness, I'm trying to take this thing to the next level, hit me up. I'll put a link in the description. I have some time in my schedule this week where I can schedule a free fitness assessment with you, so we'll do a whole strategy session and then we'll see what you're at. So if it's a fit, we can go from there. But super excited for you checking out my channel, and if you have more, let me know in the comments what is your specific goal that you want to hit, and then I'll comment back, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Peace.